Okay, I'm putting all my AC lines together, getting them all crimped and in place. Okay, there's still a ton of little jobs to finish here. Running my tubes in for my air conditioner unit here. The return line from the condenser leaves out of the bottom. It has to go through a dryer. Then it has to go up and attach to this fitting right here. So, I need to locate my dryer so I can run my lines. Right here is the best place for me. It's hard to see, I know. But you can see there's my dryer holder right there. That holds the dryer. And it's tucked in right here by the condenser and radiator. It's bolted to the sheet metal here. It's vertical, it's straight up and down. So, alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the dryer in that, get that thing located, and then try to run my lines. 2 loose hoses crimped on. I'm going to pull all this labeling off, clean them up a little bit. The Pirtex did that for me here in Plano. Everything's in place. I've gone ahead and pulled these 2 back out now that I have them all fit and everything's lined up. So I gotta get the mobile crimper guy to come over here from Pirtex. He's gonna come over here today or tomorrow morning, and we're gonna get these crimped on, and then I'm gonna run them back through. And run these AC lines here. Just got them in place. Comes under here. Got a little tie here. Comes back out, goes to the dryer, goes through the dryer, up along the inside of the fender well, through the, had some badass rubber tape, and I just taped around and around and around till it fit. I'll make sure that doesn't come out here later, but right now that makes a nice plug for my return line here to the evaporator. So I'm still waiting to get those other ones crimped. What I'm going to do is go ahead and take these off, and I'm going to insulate these. These are the ones that need to have some insulation on them. These are going to be the really cold ones. Okay, this is my return line that comes from the condenser, the high pressure side, goes to the dryer. Now I've covered this with an insulation. I've got this foam stick-on insulation here, and once I wrapped it around it all the way down, I went ahead and covered it with this, you know, the foil tape here. Good stuff. So I wrapped that from one end to the other, all one wrap. So now this thing is pretty well insulated, and that'll help with my cooling. I've got another line to do. Line totally insulated with foil and the insulation underneath it. Got the 2 clamps on there, hold it in place. My little rubber plug here, so just got to put this one in.